Gel gel. Bu videoda saracak.
I'm gonna give you €5. Is baklava belongs to Turkey or Greece?
He's going to break up with me.
And who is the president of Turkey?
Oh, I have no idea.
Icardi.
Exactly.
Icardi'yi nereden biliyorsun lan?
Hello guys, welcome to Shotlar by Yasko. Guys, today we are going to ask people 5 questions about Turkey. So if they know, we have €5. In Turkish currency, it's like 150 lira something. We're gonna give them as a gift. So if you're ready, let's get started.
Biliyor musun bu kanalı? Ben bilmiyorum.
Where are you from?
I'm Greek and Albanian.
Greek and Albanian.
Bu bilir abi, Yunan ve Türk çünkü. Ha, Yunan ve Türk, Arnavutluk.
Oh my gosh, I think you're gonna know all the questions. I'm gonna have 5 questions about Turkey. If you know 3 of them, you're gonna win €5.
Farklı maklı konuşma, senin ağzına sıçarım ha. Ne oldu Türkiye'yi duyunca fakmak?
Komşu or what?
Komşu,
Ha,
yeah.
komşu.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Tell me one.
Sar, sana yüzmeyi kim öğretti? İlk sarı.
Okay.
I don't know.
Ha, Tarkan, aferin.
Yeah. Tarkan.
Turkoglu.
Tarkan is good. Yeah.
Tarkan. Ha.
Okay, what is the capital of Turkey?
Ankara.
If you know this, you're gonna win €5.
Okay.
Is baklava belongs to Turkey or Greece?
Adamız.
It belongs to Turkey. Plus we took it and
Almadı.
optimized
Yok
it.
öyle bir şey yok. Bizim.
Yeah,
It's a good action.
it's
Bizim
really good
beyler
answer.
rahat
Okay,
olun.
this is your €5. Do you have any message, Turkish people from here? Any message?
Peace.
Okay.
Dan.
Okay, you have to know 5 of them. Okay, come here. But now you are 5 people, so you have to know 5 questions. Okay. If you know 5 of them, I
Bana bak oğlum, sende böyle bir aşağılayacak tip var. Allah çarpsın, canını sıkarım seninle.
will give you €5.
Okay.
Okay. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's get started. Tell me one famous people.
Abi Best of Rumeli ödüllerinde adaysın, verdik oyumuzu sana, bütün arkadaşlarımın telefonunu yürütüp oy attım sana.
Nerede adayım? Neye adayım lan? Survivor'a mı?
Name from Turkey.
Çalhanoğlu.
Yes, man. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, second question. Which is the capital of Turkey?
Aslanım benim, helal, bravo.
Okay, third question. What's the average population of Turkey? Average. Say something average.
Five something.
No, what do you mean 5 something? It's more than the UK. Shut up.
Just five, yeah?
No, it's more than the UK. It's more than the UK.
Oğlum bunlar niye Sherlock'takiler gibi konuşuyor lan? Sherlock Holmes'taki gibi. Yine.
I'd say about the 40 million mark.
No, it's more than
Wait,
us.
how-
He said so. Okay, I'm saying 80 million.
Helal kız sana.
Exactly 80 million. Is Turkey belongs which continent?
Continent?
Yeah.
Half of it's in Europe, half of it's in Asia.
Helal lan.
That is great, you know. Yeah. And
Var amını sikerim.
one more. What was the last champion football team in Turkey?
That's you guys. That's you two. That's you two.
I'm
All you.
useless.
That's all you, James.
Tam Fener değilsen Fenerbahçe'de.
That's all you.
Turkey really need to join Eurovision again.
Ya
They
oğlum boş
slapped
yapma
so
lan,
much.
hadi.
No. He was in the second stage. They were in second stage.
Stage.
Sen demek ki ya İngiltere'den Türkiye futbolu diye Fenerbahçe geliyor kardeşim ya.
No, this
Okay, guys, I love you. I'm gonna ask one more
Demediler
question.
bana.
Okay. Okay, one more question. Who is the president of Turkey?
It begins. Oh my god, shit. Arid dog or something.
What?
Oğlum sen ne biçim konuşuyorsun lan? Tamam, onu hayırdır? Tok diyor oğlum.
Oh shit.
What is it? You know it.
Arid. Oh my god.
It's Italian.
It was
Kardeş, kendi aramızdaki sorunlar kendi aramızda, öyle yok amına koyayım. Hayır.
Erdogan.
Oh.
Nearly there.
Yeah. So where are you from?
I'm from India.
And you?
Spain.
Which city is the capital?
Sen Hindistan, sen İspanya. Siz nasıl denk geldiniz ya? Tinder'dan mı buldunuz birbirinizi amına koyayım? Nasıl bir meç bu ya?
City in Turkey.
Istanbul.
No.
Before,
I will give you 3 options and you will choose one of them, okay? Maraş, Ankara, İzmir.
The second one.
Ankara.
Yeah.
Yes.
Abla sen de Hindistanlısın, bizi sikme. Bak İspanyol değilsin sen. Ben sen de Hindistanlısın, bizi sikme. Sen İspanya... Bunun hani Bulgaristan göçmenlerinden bazıları der ya, ben Bulgarım. Öyle o, evet.
What's the average population of Turkey? Average population.
Like 5 million?
Ya 1 milyon amına koyayım. Lan İstanbul'un nüfusu 20 milyon.
I don't know.
5 million?
I don't know, I'm really bad at this. I don't even know the population in Spain, so like...
Bilmiyorsun çünkü İspanyol değilsin. Ben götümü koyarım. Sen İspanyol değilsin. Sen Hindistanlısın. Yalan söyleme. İspanyol değil oğlum, değil amına koyayım ya.
I don't know.
5 million?
I don't know, I'm really bad at this. I don't even know the population
Lan bilmiyor çünkü değil. İspanyolca konuş da bilmeyecek. Hiç mi La Casa de Papel izlemediniz? Bunda İspanyol aksanı mı var?
in Spain, so like...
You can say a number. You can say a number.
Whatever.
Say whatever.
How many are in India? 6 million.
6 million.
Yeah.
Around 85 million. ¿De dónde eres?
De Barcelona. Bueno, no, Girona, pero.
Aa bak bu İspanyol bu. Bu İspanyol, Katalon. Bak benziyor mu hiç aksanlar?
Perdón. De Cataluña.
Catalunya.
Yo soy de Sevilla.
Oh.
Nasıl çaktık size ama Gökhan Gönül?
Oh. So 5 questions, 5 euro. What's the language of the Turkey? Language.
El turco, Turkish. Es que no sé en inglés.
Turkish, yeah?
Turkish.
Turkish, Aras bir çocuk.
Okay, that's good. Okay, second question. What's the general religion in Turkey? General religion.
Musulman, yo también digo.
Musulmán.
Müslüman, yeah, Müslüman. Tell me 3.
Musa'daki bak Artvinli ha, ben size söyleyeyim amına koyayım. Allah rızası için durdurma, her soruda durdurma, tamam. Şaka yapmayayım yani hiç hani.
Football club in Turkey. 3 Turkish football club.
İlk Fener'i söyle.
No sé ni uno.
I don't know. I don't like football. Okay.
Ha,
Okay, tell
gay,
me
tamam.
one boy and one girl Turkish name.
Sara.
Sara?
Jasmine.
No lo sé, Sara, no. Sara me...
Sara, no Sara.
No.
You can get help from your friends.
Un nombre, un nombre. De mujer.
Un nombre de turco.
Un hombre bir ararı siki, un hombre isi. Oğlum bu Trakyalı.
Your friends.
Un nombre, un nombre. De mujer.
Un nombre de turco.
Iva.
Iva? No. No. Okay. Anyway, you lost it. So I will ask you like the 5 questions about Turkey. If you know 3 of them, I'm gonna give you 5 euro. Okay? First question. Sorry. Tell me one Turkish food name.
Lahmacun.
Falafel.
Ne oğlum?
Falafel? No, it's not. No. But it's
Kebab.
Kebab is good, yeah. Kebab is good. Okay. Second question. Where Muslim people pray in Turkey? Where they pray?
The most important one or
No,
like
just like the name of
mezquita?
it. Mesquita.
Mezquita.
Yeah, you can accept Mesquita Mosque. That's good, yeah. Tell me one country which is neighbor with Turkey. One country.
Ukraine.
Ukraine. And you?
Russia.
What?
Russia.
Russia. No. No, no. Who is the president of the Turkey at the moment?
No idea at all.
What?
Who is the president of the Turkey?
I don't know.
Yours last question. If you know
Biz de bir sikim bilmiyoruz lan, çıkmışsınız öyle gezmeye.
this, you're gonna win 5 euro. If you don't know, you will lost. Is Turkey belongs which continent?
It belongs both of them, Europe and
Yeah, that was good. Yeah, exactly. So this is your 5 euro.
Verme bunları, al parayı geri al. Parayı geri al.
Yeah.
Ha, geri al parayı.
Guys, if they know. That's it. Ines, where are you from, Ines?
Argentina.
You're from Argentina.
Messi?
Okay, so habla español un poquito.
Sí, hablo español.
Perfecto. So I have 5 questions for you. Yo soy Turkian. So if you know 3 of them, you will win 5 euro.
Okay.
Do you know Icardi?
Yes.
Icardi is in my team, you know. I love him. Mauro Icardi, yeah. Me gusta Icardi.
Me encanta Icardi.
Ablayı salla, soru soracağım. Ne yapıyorsun ya? Yıkar bir yeri söylenmedi.
Obvio.
What colors is Turkish flag?
Red, white,
Perfecto.
green.
No green, no
Lan
green.
green, o Suriye lan o. Geliyorlar çok var ama alakası yok.
Red, white.
Yeah,
and-
yeah. That's it.
that's it.
Yeah,
That's
that,
it. Okay.
okay. So second question.
Okay.
Which is the capital city in Turkey?
I knew it. Ankara.
Ben de jest yapalım hanımefendiye. Buenos Aires. Biz de biliyor. Yani sen biliyor, biz de biliyor.
Wow, that's really good. Which was like last champion team? Which team was last champion team in Turkey?
Ah.
Icardi playing there.
Oo, böyle olmaz hoca.
My kid could know that one because he knows everything about football. Tati,
Amigo.
¿dónde juega Icardi? ¿En qué equipo de Turquía juega Icardi? Ah,
He doesn't know as well.
Fener'de oynamıyor.
Galatasaray. Most famous Turkish dessert.
I like that
Baklava.
baklava. That
Yes.
is with, he loves baklava because he likes like the syrup with the nuts and all the.
This is amazing, yeah?
Yeah, I love
Okay,
it.
you already win €5,
Oh, right.
but I'm gonna ask you one more question. Is baklava belongs to Turkey or Greece?
Baklava, I think is Turkey. Yeah, baklava.
Yeah. Okay, this
Kebab.
Kebab, yeah, kebab. Come on. You win this, and the Icardi watching you now, Icardi.
Hola, Icardi. Icardi.
Thank you so much, thank you. I'm gonna ask you 5 questions about Turkey. If you know 3 of them, you will win €5.
Bak öyle yapma o ağzını Türkiye'yi duyunca, tamam mı? Biz sinirli agresif insanlar, öyle yapma ağzını. Tamam hanımefendi.
What is the name of the Turkish currency?
Turkish currency? No.
No, okay. Second question.
Euro.
Which is the capital of Turkey?
Istanbul.
No.
No, it's not.
No.
Oh my god, I'm so
Oğlum.
bad at this. Why am I doing
Okay,
this?
the third question, no worry. Which is the most crowded city in Turkey? What?
Istanbul.
Yes. Most famous dessert in Turkey.
Turkish delight.
Okay,
Yeah.
I can accept it. It's good,
Doğru,
yeah.
doğru.
Yeah. Okay, last question. Who is the president of Turkey?
No, sorry.
No.
So bad.
If you know this, you will win €5.
Ya
But I
bilmiyordunuz,
don't-
ne
Okay,
yaptın
my
amına koyayım?
manager said ask one more question and ask easy question. Tell one Turkish name.
I know a guy called Dennis. Wait, no, I can't say this. Dennis.
Yeah, so okay, you win €5. That's it, yeah? What's your name?
Lucy,
Lucy, where are you from, Lucy?
France.
Oh, je m'appelle Yacine. Comment ça va?
Ça va et toi?
Ça va? Toi? Au revoir. Okay.
Eyfel.
Charcuterie?
Yeah.
Kürdan?
Yeah, we have the same word. Yeah. You know what? My boyfriend is come from Turkey.
Really?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Ahmed.
Ahmet. Ahmet. Okay, Ahmet.
Ahmet, pasaportu kapacaksın amına koyayım. Var ya. Allah adamsın Ahmet.
Tell me one famous people name from Turkey.
One what?
One famous people name.
No, I don't know.
Okay, second question. Which is the capital of Turkey?
Istanbul.
No. Ankara.
He's going to break up with me.
Yeah, Ahmet. I hope he's not watching the video. What time is it?
Ahmet o videoyu izlesin, bizim yayını izlemiyordur inşallah Ahmet. Sen Ahmet bırak bir videoyu izlesin, bundan bir şey olmaz.
Yok.
Ahmet şimdi chatten çıkmasın.
In Turkey at the moment.
1 hour more, so
Now 20:48 here.
yeah, 1 hour more.
So
It's 9:50.
no, it's not 2 hours. What was the most famous dessert in Turkey? Famous dessert.
Baklava. Yeah, I have
Finally.
one.
Arkadaşlar baklavanın Recep Tayyip Erdoğan'dan ünlü olması normal mi ya?
Olabilir.
Yani bir ilginçlik var.
Finally,
Normal mi?
finally.
Öyle daha iyi sanki.
Ahmet, I think you're gonna fight with him. Okay, thank you so much.
I'm not going to tell you.
He gonna see the video for sure. I have 5 questions about Turkey. If you know 3 of them,
About Turkey?
Yeah.
About Turkey?
about Turkey, yeah. Okay, the first question. What's the language of Turkey?
Turkish.
That's good.
Woo!
Which is the capital of Turkey?
Istanbul.
Asiktir
Nope.
vardır. Ankara.
No,
Oğlum
not
bak-
cheap.
It's not Istanbul because you think it's Istanbul, but it's not. What does it begin with? Can you just give
Hey.
me? I don't know it. I'm sorry,
Okay,
Alex.
Ankara.
Sorry.
Ankara,
sorry.
okay.
I thought I did.
Third
I don't.
question, what's like the average population in Turkey? Average?
3 million, but it's probably
No,
less.
it's 85
Ya abla siz yani nasıl 3 milyon ya?
Muhtemelen
Oğlum bunlar bizi neresi zannediyor? Nacivan mıyız lan biz?
million. Okay,
85 million! 85 million! You got it on record. 85 million. That's
okay,
my answer.
average. Okay,
85 million
Yes.
in Turkey. Okay, next.
okay. Name one Turkish name.
Turkish name.
Yeah.
Turkish delight. I'm so sorry. I've never been to Turkey. Ahmed. Get your
Yes.
teeth. Woo! Ahmed.
Ahmet az önceki Ahmet. Amına koyayım abla. Bak ortalık karışır bu videoda. Ben size Ahmet var ya. O Ahmet şov yapmış lan burada. Bu da eski sevgilisi. Evet.
Oh, I didn't know that.
I interviewed that girl from the ice cream shop, and her boyfriend name is Ahmet. He's from Turkey.
And she got that right.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Okay,
Okay.
what's next?
So last question. If you know that, you're gonna win €5.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
Okay. Who is the president of Turkey at the moment?
Absolutely no idea. I've never been.
No idea.
She literally went. Oh no, you went to Egypt.
I went to Egypt.
Oğlum Mısır'la bizim ne alakamız var lan? Bak benim canımı sıkmayın ha. Mısır'a gitmiş. Türkiye ile nasıl karıştırdın Mısır'ı?
So is it Ahmed McCann? What is it? What is it? Barack Obama.
Okay. Like, look.
Can I do an English one for him?
Okay. Yeah.
This is just a fun twist.
What is the capital city of England?
Londra.
London.
Harder questions.
Where are you from?
Vancouver, Canada.
I'm from Turkey. I'm gonna ask you like 5 questions
Abla sen Diyarbakırlısın. Niye yalan söylüyorsun ya? Gözünü seveyim sen.
about Turkey. If you know
Ben aksandan yakalarım.
3 of them, you will win €5. First question. What's like the name of the Turkish currency?
I don't know.
What's the name of Turkish
Can I phone a friend?
Okay, I will ask you other questions. I don't accept this. How much €1 costs in Turkish currency?
dollars.
Just guess, approximately. You know?
150?
Adam 1 lira diye 1,5 lira diye ya.
No?
$2? I think it's lower. 125.
No. How much is like €1 in Turkish currency? €1.
Oh,
Just guess.
like 125? Like, I don't know.
$2?
No. 28.5 at the moment.
28.5. Okay, I was okay.
Yeah.
What color is this Turkish flag?
Green,
No.
Turkish flag,
Orange.
red.
Blue?
No.
White?
I can't continue with this again.
sorry,
Red and white.
Like
Okay. Which city is capital city in Turkey? Which city?
I don't know.
Okay.
We're not. I'm not getting this €5. I'm not getting this.
Okay.
This is happening.
Please tell me one name from Turkey. One name.
Like a name of a person?
Yeah. Just one name. Just one.
Hassan.
That's okay.
Okay.
Okay. And who is the president of Turkey?
Oh, I have no idea.
Erdogan.
I
Okay, I'm
you
gonna ask
learn
one more.
something new every day.
Is Turkey belongs to which continent?
Asia?
Am I wrong?
We're so bad.
I'm so bad at this. This is really embarrassing.
Asia and Europe.
And Europe.
In
Okay,
Turkey. İrlanda'ya ne zaman
Son herhalde.
geldiniz?
Şubat 2022'de geldim ben.
Ahmet! Ahmet mi lan? Yok değil.
Peki burada ne iş yapıyorsunuz?
Şu anda mühendis olarak çalışıyorum.
Sen abi?
Ben de makine mühendisiyim abi.
Ben de makine mühendisiyim ya. Koca Üniversitesi makine mühendisliği.
Ben de Sakarya'dan mezun oldum.
Ciddi olamazsın ya. Peki İrlanda'ya geldiniz, mühendis olarak çalışıyorsunuz. Nasıl bir duygu? Yani ne iş yapıyorsunuz? Memnun musunuz?
Abi ben memnunum. Zaten ben de bir sene barlarda çalıştım.
Tamam hocam siz ne yapalım ya? Teşekkür ederiz.